In this video, we will hear from economist, American lawyer, investment banker, speaker, and best-selling author, Jim Rickards. Jim Rickards has held senior positions at Citibank and has testified before the U.S. House Science Subcommittee on Oversight about the risks and dangers of financial modeling and the 2008 financial crisis.
The math and the science behind diversification and why it's a good strategy is very clear. There's not much debate about that. The problem is people don't understand what diversification means. They think if they have 50 stocks in 10 sectors, semiconductors, consumer non-durables, or whatever, they're diversified. And what I say to them is, you may have 50 stocks, but that's one asset class. You're in stocks. And in stressful situations, they become highly correlated. So you're not getting the benefit of diversification. You think you are, but you're not. So what does a diversified portfolio look like? Gold, I always recommend 10% slice. I would get American Silver Eagles. I talk about gold a lot because it's a form of money. And then people always say, Jim, what about silver? What about silver? I'm like, look, if gold soars the way I expect, silver's along for the ride. There's not going to be a world of $3,000 gold and $20 silver. That world doesn't exist. If gold's at 3,000, silver is going to be pushing 100. So without giving an exact forecast, silver will be along for the ride. Silver is a little more difficult to analyze because it has industrial applications. Gold really doesn't. Gold's not good for anything except money, but it's the best form of money.
I had a very interesting conversation with Jim Rogers. Jim is one of the great commodity traders, money managers of all times. And this is around 2014. But so I said, Jim, what do you think of gold? What are you doing? He goes, well, I own it, of course. And he said, I'm not selling, but I'm not buying right here. And he said something that just hit me right between the eyes and it stayed with me. And of course, he's right. He said, gold's going to the moon, but nothing goes to the moon without a 50% correction along the way. Now it's going up and the sky's the limit. My point was that we had the retracement between 2011 and 2015. That's done. Now it's just onward and upward.
Any wise, experienced investor will tell you preparation is key. If you are interested in protecting and preserving your wealth with physical, precious metals such as gold and silver, whether in the form of private investments or a gold IRA, see the links in the video description to see the best gold IRA and precious metal investment companies that we have personally researched and vetted. Thanks for watching.